Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I'll be making this Roarsome masculine slimline card using the Roarsome Rex stamp set. I'll also be bringing in my most favorite die from Whimsy, which is called the Slimline Marquee die. So let's get started with the coloring. I'll be coloring my images with my Copic markers. So I chose blue, red, and green. So for my darkest blue, I chose B29. My midtone is B28, and I'm just putting the darkest colors where I want them to go, where the outline is from on the dinosaur, as you can see. And then my lightest is B24, and I'll just be dragging out my dark lines, as you can see there. Now let's get started coloring the red dinosaur. So R39 is my dark, my midtone is R29, and it's pretty repetitive here. I'm just the artist actually did the work for us. Where the lines are, that's where I would distinguish where my dark colors would go. So for my green, G09 for my darkest, G07 for my midtone, and then G03 for my lightest. And if my Copic color is too light, I'll work it a little bit more and just drag out those darkest colors that I chose. And then for the tongue, I chose RVs, and here are my die cut images. And I also went ahead and heat embossed some of the sentiments on black cardstock. Here are all the elements I'm bringing in. I die cut the marquee die on white cardstock, and then I chose a black cardstock to mat my marquee front panel. So what I love about this marquee slimline die is that it has big windows where you can make it into a shaker card. I also love the stitch detail on the shapes that I cut apart with my die. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting washi tape on my front card panel so that I can center and inlay my shapes on top of the black cardstock. And then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and glue those in. And one of the things I love doing as a card maker is insetting paper or pattern paper. It just feels right. I don't know. It just feels like a perfect puzzle. And once you see the finished product, it's just very pleasing. So I really like doing this. So now that I'm done insetting my shapes, I'm going to go ahead and take off the washi tape, and then I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch foam tape, and I'll be putting that all around. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take the backing off, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on the front of my card. And one thing that's helpful is instead of starting from the top, I realized that if I start from the bottom, which is closest to me, I could get a better angle of it, and then it would center nicely. But if you have any other tips to get this centered well, let me know in the comment section below. So now I'm going to go ahead and place the dinosaurs where I want them. And what I love about it is this marquee die really works well with this dinosaur. Like the red dinosaur looks like it's biting the bottom part of it. And then this blue dinosaur looks like it's peeking from a wall. And so it's a really fun stamp set to work with, and it would make a great Father's Day card, I think, or a birthday card for a little boy. So it's a really fun masculine stamp set. Or you can color the dinosaurs pink or purple, and it can be for a girl who loves dinosaurs too. So here it is. You look tasty. Grr. Delicious. I love it, you guys. So I hope this provides you some inspiration on how you can use this stamp set, and I hope you'll give this a try. For more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, you can visit us on the links down below. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.